Good morning, students. Today's date is 8 July and day is Wednesday. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the Hindi morning prayer.
हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां। हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां। प्यार दे मां। हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे
Now students, get ready for the pledge. Take out your right hand like this and left hand like this.
And start the pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
my
brother and sister.
brother and sister.
I love my country.
I love my country
And I am
proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone
with
with courtesy.
courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my
on the future. Act now without delay.
Get ready for the warm-up activity. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Good morning everyone. Welcome you all Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. This is your first period and this is your English oral class. So first of all we will do recitations. So take out your left hand right like this and right hand like this and hold both hands together and say after me. I am going to recite a poem, Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Now, down your hands and say after me. Teddy Bear, turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Teddy Bear, polish your shoes. Teddy Bear, go to school. Now we will repeat it again. Teddy Bear, turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Teddy Bear, polish your shoes. Teddy Bear, go to school. Now we will do phonetics. Mr. A said apple. Mr. B said ball. Mr. C said cup. Mr. D said duck. Mr. E said elephant. Mr. F says fish. Mr. G says bird. Mr. H says heart. Mr. I says ice cream. Mr. J says joker. Mr. K says kite. Mr. L says ladybird. Mr. M says mama mango. Mr. Mr. V says van. Mr. W says watch. Mr. X says Xmas tree. Mr. Y says yacht. And Mr. Z says zero. Students, let's start our English written work. Today we will revise yesterday's work. Yesterday's topic is fill the missing letter with vowel A. Today we are going to revise it again. So open the page where it is written fill the missing letter with vowel A. Okay. After opening the page, look at the blackboard. I am going to describe you. Okay, what is it? C dash T. C blank space T. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to write here A, vowel A. Okay, so it is ka, a, ta, cat. Ka, a, ta, cat. Okay, after cat, number 2 is ra dash ta. Ra dash ta. We have to fit A here. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. After that, M dash P. Ma, a, pa, man. Ma, a, pa, man. A says A, na? A sound is I. So we will fill A here, na? So it is ma, a, pa, man. M, A, P, man. After man, this is B. B says ba. After B, blank space is here. Okay, after blank space, G is written over here. G says ga. So what you have to do? You have to fill letter A here. A says I. So it becomes ba, a, ga, bag. Ba, a, ga, bag. Ba, a, ga, bag. Okay. After that, what we have to fill? A here also. Okay. It is T over here now. T after blank space, then G. Ta, a, ga, tag. Ta, a, ga, tag means T, A, G, tag. T, A, G, tag. Okay. After tag, here is written M dash N means ma dash N. So you have to fit A here again. Ma, a, na, man. Ma, a, na, man. Then this is T. Then blank space and N is here. Okay. So T, A, N, ten. Ta, a, na, ten. Ta, a, na, ten. T, A, N, ten. Okay. After 10, B is written over here. Okay. And the blank space is here. And G is written over here. So what you have to do? You know now? You will write A here. Okay. Write A. Then say with me. B-A-D. Bad. Ba-a-da. Bad. Ba-a-da. Bad. Okay. Now we will revise it again. Okay. C-A-T. Cat. Ka-a-ta. Cat. Ra-a-ta. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Ma-a-pa. Man. A-P. Man. Ba-a-ga. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Ta-a-ga. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. M-A-N. Man. Ma-a have to take out your pencils, and I hope you have understood this. Okay? If I will say cat, what you will write? C-A-T, cat. If will I say rat, you will write R-A-T, rat. Okay? Now we will start our written work. Let's start with it. C is written over here. Okay? What you have to write here? A. C. A. T. Cat. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. Okay? C. A. T. Cat. R. A. T. Rat. We are going to write here. A. You have to write here. A. Okay? Ra. So write with me here A. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Then ba-a-ga, bat. B. A-G, bat. Ba-a-ga, bat. Okay. After bat, what we have to write here? Which is written here? T-G. What is written here? T-G. So we have to write A here. Ta and the ten. Ta and the ten. Okay. After that we will write here ma dash n. This is written here ma dash n means m dash n. So what we have to write here? A. M-A-N man. M-A-N man. And man. After man, what we have to write here? A again. T is written over here. Blank space is also here. And N is written over here. So what we have to write here again? A. What we have to write here? A. Vowel A. There are 5 vowels now. A, E, I, O, U. Today we are doing vowel A. Fill in the blanks of vowel A. Okay? Fill the missing letters of vowel A. After this, ba dash D means B dash D. So we will write here A again. Okay? So B-A-D, bat. Ba-a-da, bat. B-A-D, bat. Okay? Now let's revise. And man. After man, T and ten. T-A-N, ten. T-A-N, ten. After ten, B-A-D, bad. Ba-a-da, bad. Ba-a-da, bad. B-A-D, bad. Students, I hope now you all have understood this, okay? Now what you have to do, you have to first complete this whole work same as it is in class 4. After that you have to do same in homework, okay? Same in homework. Now I am going to show you copy. See here. Look at the copy. Ka-a-ta, cat. Ra-a-ta,
you have to turn the copy and complete your homework, same as it is. Here you also have to write only A. Okay?
So this is your second period. This is your Hindi oral class. Okay. So first of all we will do Hindi oral. आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? Take out your left hand like this and right hand like this. Hold your both hands together and say after me. I am going to recite Hindi poem. आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? Now down your hands and say after me. आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बंदर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बंदर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बंदर ने लात मारी रो रहे थे। मम्मा ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। डैडी ने पैसे दिए नाच रहे थे। भैया ने लड्डू दिए खा रहे थे। Now we will repeat it again. आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बंदर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बंदर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बंदर ने लात मारी रो रहे थे। मम्मा ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। डैडी ने पैसे दिए नाच रहे थे। भैया ने लड्डू दिया खा रहे थे। Now we will read Hindi वर्णमाला। हिंदी वर्णमाला में मैं आपको सबसे पहले स्वर पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ। ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। छोटा से अनार, बड़ा से आम, छोटी से इमली, बड़ी से ईंख, छोटा से उल्लू, बड़ा से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ऐसे ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूर, आहा खाली। Now we will repeat it again. Okay? हमारा पहला अक्षर क्या है? छोटा आ से अनार, बड़ा आ से आम, छोटी से इमली, बड़ी से ईंख, छोटा ऊ से उल्लू, बड़ा ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ऐ से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूर।
Hindi notebook. After taking out the Hindi notebook, you have to open the page. खाली जगह भरें. Okay? Today we are doing revision of yesterday's work. Today we are going to revise yesterday's work. Okay? So let's start with this is स्वर. हम लोग आज क्या कर रहे हैं? स्वर. स्वर के खाली जगह भरें. ओके? तो ये क्या लिखे सबसे पहले? व्हाट इज रिटन ओवर हियर? छोटे आ से अना. छोटे आ के बाद क्या आता है? बड़ा आ. छोटे आ के बाद क्या आता है? बड़े आ से आ. बड़े आ से आ के बाद क्या आता है? छोटी से इमली. छोटी से इमली. छोटी से इमली के बाद क्या आएगा? बड़ी से ईंट. बड़ी से ईंट. ओके? बड़ी से के बाद क्या आता है? छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. छोटे ऊ के बाद क्या है यहाँ पे? बड़े ऊ से ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन के बाद री से ऋषि. री से ऋषि बाद ए से एड़ी. ए से एड़ी के बाद ऐसे आयना. ऐसे आयना के बाद ओ से ओखली. ओ से ओखली के बाद औ से औरत. औ से औरत के बाद अंग से अंगूर. अंगूर को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? व्हाट टू से अंगूर इन इंग्लिश? ग्रेप्स. यू लव ग्रेप्स ना? यू ऑल ईट ग्रेप्स. ओके? अंग से अंगूर के बाद क्या आएगा? आहा खाने. ओके? वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज इट अगेन. छोटे आ से अनार. बड़े आ से आम. छोटी ई से इमली. बड़ी ई से ईंट. छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. बड़े ऊ से ऊन. री से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐना. ओ से ओखली. औ से औरत. आम से अंगूर. आहा खाने. Okay students, now take out your pencil and start with me. Okay, start doing work with me. Okay, so छोटे आ से अनार के बाद क्या आता है? बड़े आ से आम. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? बड़े आ से आम. Okay, you have to fill the blank space. This is fill in the blanks. यहाँ पे खाली जगह भरेंगे आप. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है ना? छोटा आ लिखा. छोटा के बाद क्या आता है? बड़ा आ. बड़े आ के बाद क्या लिखा है? व्हाट्स रिटन ओवर हियर? छोटी. छोटी लिखी है ना? छोटी से क्या होता है? इमली. छोटी से इमली के बाद क्या आएगा? बड़ी से ईंट. बड़ी से ईंट. आप सब लोग खाते हो ना? ईंट को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? शुगर केन. आप सब लोग से जूस भी पीते हो ना? यू ऑल्सो ड्रिंक जूस ऑफ शुगर केन. या आफ्टर बड़ा ई क्या आता है? छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर. ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, तो आप लोगों को लिखना नहीं है. छोटे ऊ से उल्लू के बाद क्या आता है? बड़े ऊ से ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन के बाद क्या आता है? री से ऋषि. First of all, what you have to do? ऋषि लिखने के क्या करेंगे? Make a standing line. पहले standing line बनाएंगे. After that we will make crab. crab बना लेंगे. फिर उसके बाद we'll start from here. ऐसे कर्व लेंगे. सी बना के फिर नीचे कर्व लेंगे. उसको ऐसे कर देंगे. ओके? री से ऋषि. री से ऋषि के बाद क्या आता है? ऐसे. ए से एड़ी. ए से एड़ी. ओके? ए से एड़ी के बाद क्या आता है? आई से ऐना. ऐसे ऐना लिखा हुआ है, इसलिए आप लोगों को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसे ऐना के बाद क्या लिखेंगे आप लोग? ओ से ओखली. में से एक ही जगह से निकालनी है. ओके, लाइक दिस. सी हियर. आप लोगों को ऐसे बंद बना के एक ही जगह से दोनों मात्राएं निकालनी है. ओके, लाइक दिस. दिस इज द राइट मेथड और दिस इज रॉन्ग मेथड. सी हियर. This is wrong. This is right method and this is wrong. Okay? This is wrong. Okay? और से औरत. फिर और से औरत की बात क्या आते हैं? अंग से अंगूर. यह ब्लैंक स्पेसेस ही होना खाली स्थान है यहाँ पे. और से औरत के बाद क्या लिखोगे? अंग से अंगूर. अंग से अंगूर. अंग से अंगूर के बाद क्या आते हैं? आहा. आहा मीन्स खाली. बच्चों बजाओ ताली. सो वी विल रिपीट इट अगेन. ओके, छोटे या से अनार, बड़े या से आम, छोटी ई से इमली, बड़ी ई से ई, ऊ से उल्लू, बड़े ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ऐ से केड़ी, ऐ से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, आम से अंगूर, आहा खाली. Okay, I know you all have understand this, so you have to complete this work like this. First you have to complete your class work. After completing your class work, you have to do your homework. After that, I'm going to show you properly. So you have to do work like this. Here is the blank space. छोटे आते बाद क्या आते हैं? बड़ा. बड़े के बाद क्या आएगा? छोटी. छोटी के बाद बड़ी ई. बड़ी के बाद छोटा ऊ. फिर बड़ा ऊ. बड़े ऊ के बाद री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ऐसे ऐनक. ऐसे आने के बाद क्या आता है? ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूर, आहा खाली. You have to complete your home class work like this. Homework. Okay, do your work neat and clean handwriting. Okay. After completing your classwork, you have to do same in the.
This is your third period. This is your maths written class. So take out your maths notebook and open the page. And today's topic is write table of 2. Now I'm going to show you some symbols, okay, which we will use here. What is this? This is 2 6 are 12. Next, 2 into 7 is equal to 40. 2 into 7 is equal to 1 4 40. 2 sevens are 40. Next, 2 into 8 is equal to 1 6 60. 2 into 8 is equal to 60. 2 8s are 60. 2 into 9 is equal to 1 8 80. 2 into 9 is equal to 1 8 80. Next, 2 into 10 is equal to 2 0 20. 2 tens are 20. Now let's repeat it. Okay? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 40. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And last, 2 tens are 20. Now, I am going to show you notebook. This is your class work, so complete it properly, and this is your HW, means homework. So complete it properly at home with the help of your parents, and the maths class is over.
Now students, this is your fourth period. It is of EVS. So what you have to do, take out your EVS notebook and open the page where it is written parts of body. Parts of body. Okay. What is this? This is eye. E-Y-E, eye. E-Y-E, eye. And what is this? This is ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. And this nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And this is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. And this is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay? We will repeat it again. E-Y-E, eye. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. This is ear. E-A-R, ear. This is nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. This is tongue. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. This is hand. We write and work with our hand. Okay? Now we will start writing. I hope you all understand this. Okay? This is eye. We see with our eyes. E-Y, eye. After eye, this is ear. This is ear. Tell me where is ear in your body? Here. Hold your ears, all of you. This is ear. Ear, and this is nose. Where is ear? Touch your nose, all of you. This is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Say with me, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. After nose, what is the big picture is this? This is picture of tongue. This is picture of tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Say with me. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste with our tongue. This is hand. This is a picture of hand. We write and work with our hand. So write on your hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay? We will repeat it again. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. E-Y-E, eye. E-Y-E, eye. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. This is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We smell with our nose. This is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. This is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay? Now what you have to do, beta? You have to finish your class work first. After completing your class work, you do same as it is in homework. After completing your work, you have to paste pictures of eye, ear, nose, tongue and hand on the copy. Just wait, I am going to show you. Copy. See here. Here you all have to write. It is written over here I. E-Y-E-I. So you will write here E-Y-E-I. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. H-A-N-D-S, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. And here you have to paste the picture of eye, nose, ear, tongue and hand. Or draw. If you can draw the pictures. If you can paste the pictures of the body parts here. And do same as it is in homework. Okay? the same in homework. Okay, I hope you have understand the full chapter. Now what you have to do? You have to learn all the body parts thoroughly and complete your whole work. English, Hindi, Maths, EVS in neat and clean handwriting. Till then, bye bye. Tata. Have a nice day. Now students, this is your fourth period. It is of GK. So no need to write something, okay? So close your copies and listen me carefully and look at the blackboard. Today's topic is fruits. Today we will talk about fruits. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Means फलों का राजा किसे कहते हैं? So the answer is mango is called the king of fruits. I am repeating my answer. Mango is called the king of fruits. Okay? All of you love mangoes now? We eat mangoes in summer season. Okay? Our next question is, which fruit keeps the doctor away? Which fruit keeps the doctor away? The answer is an apple keeps the doctor away. An apple keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. Next question is, which animal gives us food? Which animal gives us food? So the answer is sheep gives us food. Sheep gives us food. Okay, I am repeating it again. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? The answer is mango is called the king of fruits. Okay. The next question is, which fruit keep the doctor away? Which fruit keep the doctor away? Answer is an apple keeps the doctor away. If you eat an apple a daily, you will not go to doctor. Okay? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. So students, what you have to do now? You have to learn all three questions at home with the help of your parents. Okay? And do your work neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Bye.